for the conformity assessment is fundamental in the semiconductor industry, where precision, safety and reliability is non-negotiable. It ensures that every component meet international standards such as IEC or ISO in meeting for the CE mark for Europe market, or FCC for US market, or even for national requirements such as MCMC. At SIRIM QAS, our RF and EMC lab equipped to support this requirement, enable Malaysia semiconductor product to gain global market access with confidence. Regards to the RF and EMC, previously in last 15 or 20 years ago, the EMC element is not important to the industry at that time. So right now, when we have more installed with the electronic component, this electronic component become hazard to the industry. That's why for the automotive industry, EMC element is very important. The major challenges is to keep up with the rapid evolving technology and regulatory framework. Many companies sometimes struggle to identify which standard to be applied to their product. We support them from early stages development. We offer pre-compliant testing. We also offer lab rental for their R&D, and we also give some technical consultation. So by doing this, will help them to reduce time to market and ensure smooth certification process. In their design stage, they know which market they wanted to market their product, and they will know also their client. So normally the client will give them the spec. With this spec, normally they will try to find where the lab or the facilities they can assist them to design their equipment to meeting this client requirement or international requirement. If the product wanted to go to the Europe market, so there is a CE mark requirement. Okay, under CE mark requirement, there is a radio equipment directive and also EMC directive. Sometimes design is only designed by theory, but then you need to go for the testing to verify. That's why we are here to assist them in preliminary stage. That's why we offer pre-compliant lab rental to assist them to make sure their design meeting to the final product. At SIRIM QAS, we offer comprehensive testing services. Of course, we have RF, we have EMC, and then we also can cater for the low voltage directive, and we also have environmental reliability testing. So meaning that let's say for the CE mark requirement, we need to comply with the radio equipment directive, EMC directive, we have low voltage directive, we also assist on ROSH requirement. So we have comprehensive testing whereby we can assist them in meeting the international requirement. With this comprehensive testing facilities, client need to have evidence to show their product meeting to this CE mark requirement. By doing have EMC test report, low voltage test report, we have mechanical test report, everything test report where required by the CE mark requirement. Then we will guide the customer to provide the technical file. With the technical file, they can declare their product are meeting the CE mark requirement, and then the product are ready to export to the Europe market. We at SIRIM, we has been appointed by government agency for the product compliance. Let's say for the ST requirement, for the MCMC requirement. This is for electronic. Okay, with this requirement, let's say client come for ST requirement, come for MCMC requirement. If this product wanted also for Europe market, for US market, for international market, we can also assist them, not only for national market requirement, we can also advise them with a certain additional testing or compliance. Then they can offer also to assist them to other market requirement. We are always looking forward to enhance our services to make sure our turnaround time shorter by using our digitalization of our system. Okay, and then we also have online application, and then normally we will try to assist them to meet into their scheduling. With digitalization, all the digital worksheet, so they automatically can go to the test report, and then it will reduce the error. Yes, the demand for EMC testing is growing rapidly, I can say. So right now in our automotive sector, there is also EMC requirement. In medical sector also. So for the medical sector, let's say we need to comply with the MDA requirement for Malaysia, Medical Device Act for Malaysia. If you happen to go to ICU, you can see the signage mention that all telephone or mobile should be put 1 meter away from this ICU facilities. This is because the EMC issue. To meet this demand, right now we also have new facilities in Bayan Lepas. We have a 10 meter anechoic chamber. So here we have 3 meter anechoic chamber in Bayan Lepas. We are operating this BSDC laboratory for 10 meter, and then later on next year in quarter 3 we will have another 10 meter anechoic chamber, where this 10 meter can cater up to full vehicle testing. In our testing services right now, we have another part to make sure the IPv6 testing. We have to make sure all of our IoT product, because IoT product there is their own IP address. Okay, so under MCMC there is a element to make sure all the IT product, telecommunication product must comply with the IPv6 requirement. Beside the RF, EMC, we also can offer for this IPv6 compliant testing for Malaysia requirement. Our priorities is to strengthen our technical competency, expanding national recognition. We need to expanding our international recognition and accelerating digital transformation. So we have technical competency, international recognition, accelerating our digital transformation. So we also focus on collaboration with industry stakeholder and regulator to support Malaysia role in global semiconductor lah. And then ultimately to be a partner of choice for higher value industry seeking trust world class testing and certification services.